Good morning, welcome to camp. Today I have a few really easy camping meals lined up to show you guys. For breakfast today, I just made these delicious breakfast quesadillas. They have bacon, shallots, peppers, cheese, eggs, and they're so good. And then for lunch and for dinner, I have two no-cook meal options for you. So I'm just gonna take you along with me all day today here at camp. We're actually gonna go hiking, we're gonna move camps, we're just gonna have a really fun, chill day outside. So come along and I'll show you some delicious meals. Is it good? Oh, it's so good. So pretty. We just finished a short little morning hike and we drove to another area that we want to check out for the afternoon. And I'm so hungry, so we're actually going to make some quick lunch at the car and then start hiking again. Oh, fly on, little fly. If you caught my post that I put on YouTube and on Instagram, I was supposed to be backpacking yesterday and today, but there was like so many road closures and way more snow, a snowstorm that was actually coming through the day we were supposed to start. And so we had to kind of cancel that. So now we're just out car camping and hiking. I love just being outside and hiking and enjoying the sunshine. So all is good. I'm gonna redeem myself with that backpacking trip in Zion later in the summer when it kind of warms up a bit. So this is sort of what we did instead, and I'm not mad about it. I mean, it's pretty dang awesome out here. For lunch today, I'm gonna snack on some of these Parmesan crisps, which you guys know I love cheese. And so these are like a crunchy, like cheese cracker almost. The only ingredient in it is just cheese. They're really good. And then I'm gonna actually just make some tuna. So I have a can of tuna here and some mayo, and I'm gonna put mustard in it and this delicious everything but the bagel seasoning. Mix all that up in a bowl and eat it with some of these crackers here. Love these nut thins, so good. And then I also have one of these Seltzer Waters from the cooler. I don't know what it is, but I'm just really into these like unsweetened seltzer waters. This one is from Trader Joe's. They're so refreshing, and so this has just been in the cooler, so it's really cold and it's so nice after like a hike. That's kind of what I'm having for lunch. Really quick and simple to make, no cook, and full of protein. So that's what I like. This is gonna be rough coming up. Half of my steps end up being sideways, not up. You guys, go faster. Okay, we're all done hiking for the day and I'm just snacking on a little apple, which is so refreshing. It's a Honeycrisp apple. They're the best. And I'm just gonna have this before dinner. For dinner tonight, I have salads planned. So I'm excited to show you that because it's really easy, no cook, and delicious. So we're gonna kind of hang out here and just relax until then. Come on, that totally looks like a spine, doesn't it? Like a vertebrae.
I don't think so. I don't think this is sedimentary rock.
Oh.
And it would melt in water.
Geologist right here. For dinner, I have some salad stuff, some washed and chopped lettuce here, and a little bit of baby spinach that I wanted to use up before it went bad, and then cucumber, some tomatoes, and some feta. I have some salad dressing in here too. My plan was to make little salads with cucumber, tomato, feta, and then this honey apple cider dressing, which I really like. And oh, there's one more thing in here. Grilled chicken. I have this pre-cooked chicken here, so one piece for each Nick, or for me and Nick. And this is so nice because I don't have to cook anything tonight. No cooked meal here. It's really healthy, fresh, and delicious. So that's kind of one of the things that I wanted for this meal, was for it to be no cook. So just having the chicken cooked and everything basically ready to go other than just assembling. So it's nice and easy. Tomatoes. I like my tomatoes cut in half for some reason. Okay, so that's pretty much all the prep that I need to do. Crisp. And then the last thing that I want to do is cut up some chicken. Add in some feta crumbles. I love feta cheese, it's super tangy.
Shake.
I love that feta. So good. I almost forgot to show you guys, I'm also having dark chocolate peanut butter cups for dessert because your girl here loves peanut butter and chocolate. I feel like that's a really close clip of my nose. Yeah?
Not really.
Oh. No. Ooh, pretty good. Not the best ones I've ever bought, but actually, I don't know. They're pretty good. Nick doesn't like dark chocolate, so I strategically buy all of the sweets with dark chocolate. Then I have them all to myself.
Cut.
Being too silly. All right, guys, that is it for my day of food and adventuring. I hope you liked this. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you want more car camping meal ideas and recipes, all of those types of things, make sure to check the description box below. I'll have tons of resources there for you, linking to some of the other videos that I've made on this topic. Lots of good stuff for you guys. Subscribe, say hi to me in the comments below. I love when you guys comment. It makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in next week's video. Peace. It's helpful. Have some... so ladylike. So so embarrassing. Why take yourself too seriously? Okay, here we go again.